All right, guys. So check this out. It's only 5 steps to creating a profitable credit repair ad. Step number one is you have to start. You have first things first is identifying a profitable credit repair niche to target. Okay. So I chose. So I have 5 right here that you can use: truckers, startup companies, car rentals. So for example, people that want to start a car rental business, entrepreneurs, plumbing. Okay. How did I find these niches? Well, number one is why work hard when you can work smart. All right. So if you're already using Facebook ad, you know that if you're running Facebook ads, you have to use a special ad category. When you use special ad category, meaning that you have to tell Facebook that you're a credit repair business and you're going to be advertising credit repair, it automatically limits the targeting that you can do. So we need to reverse engineer this. So if we already know that it's going to limit the targeting, what you want to do is, number one, go to Facebook ads and see who you could target. For example, I know that I can go. I already put in, the special ad category. So this is who I could target: semi, trailer, trucks. So therefore, truck drivers. Now, if I know that my ads are going to reach truck drivers, we want to do a narrow audience, and we're going to put Credit Karma. All right. Bam. So what this is saying is, Facebook, go out, target truck drivers with less than a perfect credit score. Bam. That's an audience right there.